Good morning, traders. It's Chris. This is the early morning briefing for the 14th of May. It's very early. It's 6:21 here in the UK in the morning. And I just thought I'd give you a quick update on what's going on in the markets just as a guide. We've been long the Dow Jones for quite some time on the change of character. And we've moved our stop again. So we're up 1,271 points. The FTSE 100, we'll be moving our stops for members, VIP members later on this afternoon. So you can now move your stop to 8333. So far, to date, we're up 468 points. Nasdaq's moving up, albeit slowly, but a nice profit nonetheless. This is now up to 706 points. The Hang Seng, wow. Right, okay. So we have profits of 2,659 points so far. I'll be moving our stop later on for VIP members. So the VIP members get all the information, the change of character, confirmation of the buy, and the trailing stops. DAX, change of character, into liquidity, we're up 784 points. Euro dollar's mixed so far because we've got the inflation data out this afternoon, so gold will be mixed this morning, so no point looking at gold. The inflation data, everyone's going to be waiting for it today and tomorrow. Canadian yen just hit one of our targets, 190 pips. If you're holding on to the trend, that's 135 pips. New Zealand yen, 156 pips. Aussie yen, 133 pips. Pound yen. Now the price action charts actually get you in much sooner than the change of character. So we got in down here somewhere. So we're up 392 pips. Similar for the Swiss yen as well. We are up from this support area down here, 316 pips. Euro dollar, from the support area, we are up 388 pips. Pound Swiss, a new trade, up 51 pips. Canadian Swiss, new trade, up 29 pips. Pound Aussie, new trade, $78 pips. Pound New Zealand, new trade, up 75 pips. So all our positions are in profits. So fantastic moves, guys, and thank you for your support. Good news, the surveys have come in from my clients, and the biggest problem most of you have is finding the time to trade. The other biggest problem is, for many of you, is not having sufficient funds to make a difference, to change your life. So we're going to be coming up with a package where you can get funded automatically. We're going to come up with a package where you don't have to learn how to trade. We're going to come up with a package where you don't have to trade at all. It's done automatic within a prop firm account. So this solves all the problems. When the survey came back, it's for very similar sort of situations for many people, in that you're missing positions because you're not the chart, and so on and so forth. So we're going to solve that problem. Simple. It's going to take a bit of time. We're looking for a good prop fund company that's going to be reliable and pay your profits regularly. My software team are now working on several EAs, lots of them, and we'll be coming back with the best one for best results. And my results, I expect, and I told them, is I expect 10% per week. or more with a bit of luck. Once those results come in, we'll have a fully automated EA on a prop firm. So if you get funded for 100k, then we would expect you to make $10,000 per week on a regular basis. That's game changing for many of you. So look out for the emails. I will be replying personally to everybody that has replied to the survey. So thank you for your time. And I'll give you some tips and suggestions of how we can improve your trading. And anyone that's not replied to the survey, then please do so. I may be able to help you using my 30 years of trading experience.